being silly with my ESSA. Part 1. Hola. This is my ESSA. And my ESSA's name is Demon Hyena. I know it's a very silly name. So, you're gonna help me get him ready for school tomorrow, because so when I get back inside, I'm probably gonna go into my bathroom. I'm probably gonna bathe him, because he probably needs a bath. I'm gonna have to take off all of his stuff. These two things, I'm gonna have to either cut those or outstretch somewhere. But yeah. And I gave him a trim today. But yeah. This stuffed animal is not actually from the Douglas company. I actually got it from a zoo. And although I did have a Douglas dog, one sec. Okay, so it has pretty much ended. It's still a little over there, but that's okay. Back to what I was saying. I used to actually have a Douglas, but I kind of lost it at urban errand in the bathroom, and I left it there, so never getting that thing back, but yeah. So my current ESSA, if you don't know what ESSA means, it means emotional support stuffed animal. And to be honest, I love ESSAs. They're literally my favorite. But yeah, you're gonna help me bathe him once we get inside. But I'll keep y'all tuned once we get in there. Or when it starts getting darker. I don't know. Where should we take him to a ride? The what? Where should we take him for a ride out back? Because I've actually never showed him my backyard. Mind you, I've only had this plushie for like a year, and let me tell you this right now. It was, I wasn't as like needful of it back then, but now I need it. Well, now I need it because personal reasons, and no, my parents did not get this for me. Well, actually, yeah, they did. They did get the plushie for me because I asked for it, but they didn't actually get it for emotional support. And I picked it up myself. So yeah. I don't know if I'm allowed to explain this word. I'll see if I can, but I doubt it. So I'll have to do that another day. It helps me cope a lot. And it just makes me feel comfortable, to be honest. When I love him, I'm gonna help me bathe him once we get inside. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back inside. So first, before we give him a bath, I have to take off all his stuff. Oh, there goes his collar. Oh, there goes his pink collar. I think the other one's gonna break. Definitely. No? Did it break? It's on the verge of breaking though. This one. I have more bracelets on him. Here's what he looks like without all his gear. And now it's time to get him in the bath. Now, I know this isn't very professional, but it's all I have right now, and my parents probably let me do an or bath, so gonna get that. So, how am I gonna do this? So, I'm gonna pause the video because it's gonna be kind of long. Oops, sorry, that's right. Anyway, I'll update y'all later, and I'll probably update you guys in 2 days or more. So, see you guys later. Peace out. Hey guys, so I'm back, and he has dried. I put all of his drip back on, as I call it, but I put all his gear back on, and I put it on upside down, but that's okay. We can fix that later. I'm really looking forward to getting him a collar and a harness, and I'm probably gonna get another ESSA, because I already have one. See y'all later. Bye. He's saying bye. Okay. See y'all later. And just remember, never stop being a silly Billy. Bye.